Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Hany Ismail from Planning Engineer website. In this video, I would like to answer one of my colleagues' question about how to create procurement log or procurement tracking chart. Are we going backward or are going frontward? How to link the materials to the activities and estimate the dates and so on. So I would like to share with you this template. You will find a link to download it, and I will show you how usually I'm using my calculations in order to prepare a reasonable procurement tracking chart. The procurement tracking chart, for those who don't know what it is a table. It includes all the materials. We have here all the materials. However, we will not wait until the materials is required to be on site to find it is delayed. We have too many stages in order to get the material to the site on time. We need to submit the material, get it approved, issue the PO, then we'll have the manufacturer started, shipment date, clearance, and delivery to the site or the stores. So in this template, I'm going to tell you how to make it very easy to monitor your materials. Okay, so the first thing here, we have the materials. Okay, this I copied from one of my courses case studies. This is the materials we have. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to fill this delivery to the site date. How you fill it, Hany? How you know all these materials dates? Because I'm having a smart activity ID system in my schedule, so it is easy for me to make a VLOOKUP. However, if you are not using a smart activity ID system or you would like to learn it, you are welcome to take the course, intermediate planning course. However, it is not necessarily. If you can just put when the material is required on site, you can simply fill each material when it is required on site. This is only a sample date, sample data, just to give you the concept. Okay, once you filled the delivery to the date, to the delivery to the site dates, you need to go backward. Okay, I need this material to be delivered on the site by 3rd of March. It means the clearance, let's say it should be 2 days before this date. So this one should be, let me have the same format, 1st March, it should be cleared from the customs. Okay, shipment date, this one will give you the duration of the shipment, how many days we need to ship the material between shipment and the clearance. So in that case, let's say you need 30 days for shipment. Okay, then after the manufacturer started, how many weeks or days this material need to be manufactured? This is very important now, because we need to ask our procurement department to give us the delivery period. Delivery period means how many weeks or days this material required to be manufactured. I'm going to assume all of them 30 for now. So the manufacturer should start 30 days or whatever the period here before it can be shipped. Okay, this is usually will be in the BO, the purchase order. They will define in the purchase order how many weeks for the manufacturer. And by the way, if they told you, the supplier or the manufacturer, they told you 6 to 8 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, always take the maximum duration. Okay, going backward, the BO is required in order to start the manufacture. So let's say we will give us 1 week after we issue the PO. Sorry, here it should be like this. 1 week after we issue the PO, the manufacturer will be started. Okay, and we need another week after we get the material approved to have the PO issued. Now, between the material submittal and the material approval, usually it is 7 days or 14 days. However, If you are not expecting to get your material approved from the first time, give it more time. In my case, I'm going to give it 20 days. Here, what I would like to tell you. Okay, in order for this material to be delivered on site 3rd March 2022, I need to submit it at least 27 November 2021. And if the delivery period is more than 1 month, let's say it is 2 months, you will find that this date is dramatically changed. Okay, so by applying this formula or applying this sheet, now I will not wait until 3rd of March to find that the material is not on the site. If the 28th October is delayed, then I will start raising my flag, telling my people, hey, you are delayed for submitting this material. Now we agreed about this concept, we can simply apply it to all of our material list. I can have it like this, then click and drag this formula. And now I have all my procurement log ready for my monitoring. Now I need to update it in weekly basis. Whatever submitted, I will put submit here. Whatever approved, I will put the date here. Whenever I issue the PO, I'll put the actual date here. I might have the supplier name also and start updating the actual dates. Also, it will be a good idea to have some conditional formatting, because if I put the data date here, let's say this data date is, our data date is 7 May 2022. I can make a very nice conditional format. Okay, so let me do it in the activities only. So I'm going to remove the blanks. I'm going to select this one, for example. Then from home, conditional format, new rule. If the cell value is greater than, then I will select this one. It means the date is past. So I'll put some nice formatting. I can fill it with red. Click OK, OK. So I can simply see what is overdue here. I can add another condition that if my now we have something wrong because it's 23, it should be okay. I can manage it easily and go home, manage rules. Cell value is greater than, no, it should be less than. It should be less than. So the date is less than this date. Yes, correct. Now here, whatever overdue, it is red. I can add another rule to check if this is not empty. Okay, then it will be red. If it is filled, it means the actual happened, then I can bypass this red. But this is the concept, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply this formula to the material approval date, PO date, manufacturer started date, shipment date, clearance date, delivery to the site date. You can add as many columns as you want. It is very important to monitor your materials from material submittal until it is delivered to the site. You can add whatever columns you want. You can add whatever, you can remove the unnecessary column. However, I think that the concept is important to be understood. I'll put a link below this video so you can download this form and you can modify it and work on it according to your project needs. I hope you found this video useful to you. See you in the next one.